Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjin. Today I'm going to share with you how to cook express fried kway teow. This portion is for 4 serving. So I'm going to quickly cook the fried kway teow for my family dinner. So I have 1 packet of kway teow. Today I'm using the Bunga kway teow. This brand is quite nice, and I have some choy sam. I only take the leaf, some bean sprout, 1 chili, 200 grams of prawns, crispy fried garlic, 200 grams of chicken cut into slices, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some spring onion. I'll be using sesame seed oil, light soy sauce, thick soy sauce, and also oyster sauce. We need to cook it quickly, so I like to start off with open up the kway teow first. For the fried kway teow, right, before frying we always need to separate the kway teow, because in the packet the kway teow is like lumps together, so I like to separate them first like this. Need to separate them like that. Alright, done separating the kway teow or the hor fun. Now I want to marinate the chicken. We're going to use the salt to marinate the chicken and the prawns. Okay, done marinating. Now I'm going to quickly wash up my hand, then we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is getting hot, I'm putting in the prawns. I'm going to fry the prawns first. All the prawns has changed the color, and I'm going to remove it out from the pan. Put it aside. Now we're putting in the chicken. I'm going to put in just about 2 drops of sesame seed oil, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, chicken will take slightly longer time to cook, so I'm going to continue to cook it for about 2 minutes. Chicken is about 95% cooked. Reduce the heat to low heat. Put in the kway teow. Put in about 2 drops of sesame seed oil. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Half tablespoon of light soy sauce. And half tablespoon of thick soy sauce or dark soy sauce. Increase the heat to high heat again. And now we're going to stir fry the kway teow. Mix it well with all the seasoning. Kway teow doesn't take too long to cook. Once we increase the heat to high heat, it will take just less than 1 minute to cook. So we're just going to make sure that it well combined with all the seasoning. Now I'm going to put in the chili, half of the crispy fried garlic, Just keep a little bit for garnishing. Put in all the bean sprout. For the choy sam, I'm going to just break into half. The stem part and the leaf part I'm going to put in slightly later. Give it a mix. Stir fry until the bean sprout and the choy sam stem is slightly soft. Now I'm putting in the spring onions and the rest of the choy sam leaf. Mix it again. Once the vegetables is cooked, now I am putting in the prawns. You know, when we keep the prawns like that, so it tends to release some water, so try not to pour in the prawns together with the water. Just take the prawns solely. This one we don't want, or else our kway teow will be very soggy. Right? Gonna give it a mix. Alright, express fried kway teow is ready. I'm going to switch off the heat and give it a taste. It looks so yummy. Wow, very delicious. It's enough taste, enough flavor. At this stage, if you need to add on some more seasoning, you can do so. But for this kway teow, it's already delicious. So this is best served immediately once it's cooked. And I'm going to dish out and serve. Family platter. And we're going to sprinkle the crispy fried garlic. Very nice fragrant. Express fried kway teow for dinner is ready to serve. It looks so yummy. Let's try. Just gonna take prawn. Take some prawns, the kway teow and the crispy fried garlic for a nice fragrant. Wow, very delicious. The prawns is so fresh and it's very sweet. It cooked just perfectly. The kway teow is very tasty and very smooth. And it's very nice fragrance of the crispy fried garlic. Overall, it is so delicious. It is very quick to cook and it can be very satisfying dinner. The whole family will be enjoying it. If you have tried the recipe, please share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dinner like this. Thank you and bye bye.